Hi all of you. So regarding capacitor PYQ of 2023, the question is given like this. What is here? This question is regarding here common potential type question here. Common potential paina e question. What is here one? Two parallel plate capacitors. Two parallel plate capacitors having a capacity C and 3C are connected in parallel. Two capacitors are here. They have a capacity C and 3C. They are connected in parallel. Of course, combination. And then charged to a potential difference 18 volt. Means when they are connected in parallel and that combination is connected to a potential difference 18 volt. Okay. The battery is then disconnected and the space between the plates of the capacitor of capacity C is completely filled with a material of dielectric constant 9. This is okay. Simple question. The final potential difference across the combination of capacitors will be, what is here? Nothing but very simple question. This is regarding here what? Common potential. What is given here in the question? We will discuss clearly, then we can find the answer easily here. First one. According to the question, if you see, how many capacitors we have? Two capacitors of capacities C and 3C. They are connected in parallel. Okay. To a potential difference of 18 volt. Right. So what is the meaning here? So initially this is the one capacitor and its capacity is considered as C. And one more capacitor. Okay. So of capacity is how much? 3C. These two are connected like this, parallel, and this combination is connected to here one potential difference of 18 volts. When it is connected to the battery, so in parallel combination we know that one potential is same. Of course, if you want to see, you can see that is here one, this one, a battery is connected like this. So positive, negative, voltage is here 18 volts. When capacitors are in parallel, potential difference across each capacitor is same. We know that one. Nothing but potential across this combination is 18 volt. Potential difference across this capacitor also 18 volts. Okay. Then after, the battery is now here one disconnected. The battery is now disconnected. So means here this is the case. This is the one plate, another plate of the first capacitor, and this is the here one another capacitor of 3C. Now the battery is now disconnected. Battery disconnected, nothing but here one. That is the situation. We can write this here. Battery connection, but it is now disconnecting. Disconnecting, nothing but there is no any potential difference across these two. This is the situation. Okay, now battery is disconnected. So capacity of this one is what? Same only, capacity does not change. And here what? Its capacity here what? 3C, of course. But logic is there. After disconnecting and the space between the plates of the capacitor of capacity C. Completely filled with a material of dielectric constant K. What is the meaning here? Between these two plates of a first capacitor of capacity C, one dielectric material is completely filled. That is like this. So we know that one dielectric constant of this material here what K, we can say that. So value of this one is given as here what? 9 here. What is the value? 9 here. When the dielectric is placed between the two plates, already we know that one, its capacity here what? Increases. How much time? K times. Now here what? When the battery is disconnected, according to the common potential concept here, this is here one. Okay, so the charge can be flows from higher potential to the lower potential. That to here one, so the charge can be flows from one capacitor to the another capacitor, right? So when both the capacitors get here what? Same potential. Both the capacitors get same potential. What is the meaning here? Here if it is a 18 volt, across this one also here what? 18 volts. Across this capacitor is what? 18 volts. Across this capacitor is also here what? 18 volts. Across this capacitor also here what? 18 volts. What about the common potential here? After, okay, this is the here what? Potential here the what? V0. And across this one also here becomes here what? V0 here. Of course, V also you can take. So this is the common potential we have to find. Already we know that one, what is the common potential formula? Common potential formula, V is equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 by C1 plus C2. This is the common potential formula. When it is, okay, same polarities. If it is a plus, minus, it is a plus, minus. Plus, plus, if it is connected here one, then we will get plus. Opposite polarities are connected here. If it is a plus, if it is a minus, then we will get here what? Minus. Okay. So these are the parallel, nothing but 100%. We know that one, this is the positive, this is also positive. Then only we can say that it is the parallel. Right. Now we have to find the simple here one. This one we have to find. According to this is here one. Okay. So we have to find the value of V here. Tell me. So if it is here what? Cross product, what will get here what? V into C1 plus V into C2 is equal to V1 C1, okay, plus V2 or C2 V2 we can write. So this will get here how it is. What is the meaning of this one here? Total charge of this combination, okay, after disconnecting a battery is equal to total charge of this combination, okay, so when the battery is connected. That is only the meaning here one. Total charge of this one Q is equal to C1 into V. And this one here the word C, okay, C2 into V here one. What is the C1, C2? This is considered as here what? C1. And this is considered as here what? C2. Okay. Okay, now tell me here one. This is equal to, we know that one V0. What is the C1 here what? After connecting C1. What happens to the C1 here? When the dielectric is connected here with a material of 9, it becomes here what? 9 into C. That is here what? 9C plus V0 into C2. What is the C2 capacitors? We are not changing anything here to this one. That is here what? 3C. That is equal to 3C is equal to. What is the C1 here what? Before connecting on here what? Okay. So that is here what? C, nothing but in the what? C. V1 is how much here what? 18 only. Nothing but that is 18 volt plus C2 is what? 3C. That is 3C into what? 18 volt here. So just here we have to write here what? 9V0C plus, okay, so 3V0C is equal to, okay, so that is equal to 18C plus, okay, 54 here, C here, 54C. If you take the commons here C, then we can cancel, that is total like this. Okay, now 9V0 plus 3V0, nothing but the what? 12V0, that is equal to 18 plus 54, nothing but 50, 60, 72 becomes here one. So V0 is equal to common potential, that is V0 is equal to 72 by 12, that is equal to 6 volts. Answer is what? 6 volts here one. So when the battery is disconnected and the dielectric of material of constant 9 placed between the plates of a first capacitor, then the common potential of this one becomes here what? 6 volts. Answer is what here? 6 volt here. What is this one? Total charge of the system after disconnecting is equal to total charge of this system when the battery is connected. According to that concept, according to law of conservation of charge, so this is we can write it as like this. Otherwise, we have a formula of this one. From this formula also you can derive the form. Okay, answer. This is the one question. I hope all of you understood. Thank you very much.